This is a review of the Bootstrap Farmer 10 by 10 bundle with 4 10 by 10 trays, 24 inserts, 4 humidity domes in the color green. And I love these. These are amazing. These 10 by 10 trays have no holes. They have grooves, so then that way you can bottom water, or, when you're top watering, it can have some runoff. They do come, the 6 cells are what come with it. And the 6 cells are also very durable. The bottoms have the holes in there. That way you can poke your finger in there. So then that way you can easily pop out your seedlings when it comes time for up potting or transplanting. And then each 10 by 10 tray does hold 6 cells, which is why you get 4 10 by 10 trays, 24 inserts, and 4 humidity domes. And I absolutely love the quality and durability of all of these. And I've used these for many seasons, and I'm really looking forward to many more seasons to come. It makes me feel better knowing that I am steering away from single-use plastics when it comes to my gardening. And I love knowing the fact that I'm investing in my growing future with these.